Chapter 47, The Nine Heavens. War, did you know that some powers are so dangerous that using them can literally tear reality apart? Desmond was about to learn this the hard way. With his back against the wall and his allies dying around him, Desmond made a choice that would shake the heavens themselves. He channeled his father's sealed power, breaking not just the extermination protocol, but the very fabric between worlds. Rifts exploded open across the sky like wounds in reality itself. For the first time in 500,000 years, the Nine Heavens War had begun. Powerful beings from the upper realms descended like falling stars, their only goal to eliminate what they called the reality threat. From below, demons surged upward through the cracks, hungry for chaos and destruction. Desmond's system evolved before his eyes, now showing threats from multiple dimensions at once. The Alliance barely escaped through a collapsing spatial rift, tumbling into the neutral territory, a wasteland between worlds where the Forgotten struggled to survive. But in this desolate place, they would discover a truth that changed everything about the cultivation world they thought they knew.